Hey there. Today I got a 97 Chevy Lumina. I'm doing a thermostat. Now this video is just a quick go over for the people that sort of know what they're doing, sort of mechanically inclined. So I guess first there's an 8mm bolt here for this. Then there's a 15mm nut here for the middle of this. You can stick a little screwdriver in there, pry this up, get the wires out. And you come over here, there's a 13mm right there on the throttle body, right? And there's going to be another one to get it off, but you're going to have to get this other bracket there, which has these little things. You need to get a little screwdriver and you pry on that right there up. Same on the other side, but it's pointing down. Well, throttle, cruise control. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, the thermostat's down here. You're gonna have to remove this. Got the bracket out of the way. All the bolts are there. There's a brace that goes over here. You have to remove the air box. It's just a band clamp here, two connectors, and then a 10mm bolt right there. You're gonna have to get the water jug out of the, well, actually, you can probably leave the water jug. Yeah, actually you can probably leave the brace. Actually, no, you need the brace off to get the air cleaner out. Okay. Hopefully I'm not losing you. So your first thought might be to go underneath here and get a crow's foot socket, but actually you need a mini wrench, one of these guys, a stubby. You'll be able to get on there. And I don't know what it was with mine, but there's some corrosion, I guess like a combination of the steel and the aluminum. But it was pretty hard to get it out. I had to use heat. So I got it out about 2 turns, and then I was able to just yank and pry and, mangle the thermostat to get this housing off. And then I just had more space to work with. So, there's also these 2 lines. I forgot. Right here and here that have to come off. And yeah, the 2 connectors for the throttle body, throttle position sensor, and the idle air control valve. I just took this off for a little bit more space because it's clipped onto this pipe down here. That basically covers everything. Oh yeah, I forgot you have to pop this out of the intake snorkel and also unplug the washer jug if you're moving it. Yeah, or I don't know, actually. You could probably just leave it plugged in. It reaches. But whatever, that's what I did. Anyways, if you like the video, comment, rate, subscribe. Helps out the channel a ton. And hopefully this helped you out. I know that when I go to see a how-to video on something like a thermostat, I'm expecting a 15-20 minute video on a story about cats and kittens and dogs. All right, have a good one.